Hello students, today I will discuss or teach about the human settlements is related to the second book of class 12th India. Before that I have already discussed this chapter in first book. You know, human settlements means a group of person or individual people settled or inhabited or in any place. It is known as the settlements. Settlements means people inhabited permanently or temporarily. Here I will talk about the two types of settlements. First is the rural settlements and second is the urban settlements. Now today I will discuss about the rural settlements. Most of the people belongs to rural areas are associated with the primary activities like agriculture, like fishing, like animal husbandry and other activities. They are directly or indirectly related to the primary activities. Now, rural settlement types and pattern of rural settlements. On the basis of shape and pattern, we can classify the rural settlements into three major groups. First is the compact settlement, second is the dispersed settlement, and third is the hamleted settlements. Compact, it is also known as the nucleated settlements or agglomerated settlements, जहाँ लोगों का बड़े स्तर पे समूह होता है उसे कहते हैं कंपैक्ट सेटलमेंट्स. डिस्पर्स, बिखरे हुए, एंड हैमलेटेड माने एक नगला पुरवा के रूप में जब बसाव होता है तो उसे कहते हैं हैमलेटेड सेटलमेंट्स. अगेन वी कैन focus about the factors affecting rural settlements. These are factors which are responsible to locate the rural settlements: physical factors, cultural factors, religious factors, and security factors. All these factors control to the rural settlements. Again, we shall discuss about the features of rural settlements. Most of the people are engaged in fishing, agriculture practices, and others. Water supply is also available in the rural areas abundantly. Land is also ready for cultivation. Now I will discuss about the features of more features of rural settlements. People are also engaged in other activities. Rural settlements pattern, it is also very important for this chapter. Classified on the basis of setting, functions, and form or shape. On the basis of form and shape, there are following shape: linear, as you see here, then rectangular is also cross or meet to come roads from different direction. Then T-shaped here, cross shaped is also here, then circular is here, and double pattern of villages. So these are the some pattern of the village. Now I will discuss about the problems of rural settlements. We are facing a lot of problems in the rural areas. First, water supply problems, then waterborne disease problem, then disposal of garbage, and most of the roads belong to the rural settlements are also unmetalled roads. Some problems are also very remarkable, means inadequate health facilities and not good infrastructures and not good educational institution, and also we find lack of recreation, and people's people who are residing in rural areas are also feel insecure, especially most of the people are jobless, no good opportunity for employment. So people migrate from rural to urban areas only for the sake of the future of their children. So this is the some small ideas about the rural settlements. In next video, I will talk about the urban settlements. Any query is related to this portion, I heartily invite to you. You talk to any time. Thank you.